Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default web browser in Windows 11 to Microsoft Edge. If for some reason it's changed automatically or perhaps you want to manually go ahead and change it back. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon, and you want to search for settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the three horizontal lines up at the top to open up the navigation pane, and select apps on the left side. On the right side, you want to select default apps. Go ahead and left click on that. And then in search apps, go ahead and search for Edge or Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and select this. And then for all the file types or default file types, you click inside of each one of these items here, and you'd set it to Microsoft Edge and select OK. Again, you do that for all of them, unless you wanted to change them to a different application or browser, of course. But like I said, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.